So, good day, everyone. A quick one. I want to quickly run us through um, how to set bill of material. Basically, each of these things, let me explain what they are used for. First and foremost, we go to manufacturing setting. So, you just decide on all of this. Uh, Production, order, prefix, inspection, that's basically numbering, quality control, inspection required, and so on. So, shift pattern. If you are running shift, create your shift pattern. Let me say day, stay, shift. And the description, the shift time. So you check Monday, Tuesday. If you're working on Saturday, you check. So maybe that. If there is night shift, you include it. If there is no elevator at that time, create shift. Then create a work center. So let me see. Let me call this production floor. If that's the name you call it. If it's not, you can change it. Put your description there. Then capacity and performance. So what's capacity, power, then efficiency, cost per hour, setup cost, and all of that. So what's performance target? So you set all of that. So capacity. Let's say, I don't know, let's say 500. So what's the efficiency? 500 tons per hour, or let me say 2 tons per hour. Then create for work center. So we have routing. Routing, basically what routing does is if you have process, I don't know what your process is. If you want to do your production in a process like mixing of raw material, if you're grinding, mixing, bagging, stacking, all of that. So that is what routing means. So we can just create let's just create one route. We can modify this if I further understand, or in order not to complicate matter, you can just load your routing can be weighing of material, that's weighing, um, uh, mixing, grinding, like that. Then bagging. So these are these are like the different process that comes up within the production process. So let me select this as a, so for sorry, the product, you select this in a standard effective date to date active. Then under this street, what are the operations that you perform under it? Let me just mixing, production, QC required, milestone required. So if there are other activities that are under it, you can add it. So that routing has been, you can just have one route. So in order not to complicate the production process, but if you want us to maintain the routing, why not? Then having done that, quality parameters, quality standard, and all of that. Then to set up our bill of material, you can come to the bill of material now. Come to new BOM. So basically what you do is you select the material that you want to set BOM for. Like this one now, I want to set BOM for Flavogen 2%. I'll select it. Make to stock. That is, you want to produce to stock, you want to make to order, assembly to order. But our advice will make to stock. So I observe that each of your batch is 500. So this batch quantity, put the batch quantity here. Let's say this formulation is effective from this date to any time. So this start date to end date helps you to keep track of it. If you change the formulation now, the system will keep track of how you're changing the formulation from time to time that you're changing the formulation. So if you want to review the formulation, you can know when you change from one formulation to another formulation. That's the essence of that. Then you come here, just type the material that you want to add. See, bambamycin 8% flows of folic. Then 125. That's 125 kg. Then you add another one, limestone, 38%. Add it. What quantity is that? 372.5. So you add the other one, the last one, soy oil. Use soy oil or soya oil. So the quantity is 2.5. So this unit cost, the reason why there is no cost here, you can see I cannot edit it. It's the costs directly from the cost of raw material that is procured either foreign or locally. So the system tracks of the cost. So this cost will automatically populate, and the system will give you total cost of material, then it will give you costs per 1 kg of this material. So if you have overhead absorption, labor cost absorption rates, there is scrap percentage. If there is the scrap percentage means wastages. So overhead absorption rates, labor cost absorption, you just input it here. So the system monitors this and use it to calculate variance. And if there is nothing here, you can just leave it. So these are these are different options: packaging, consumables, and so on. So if you can decide to set it to critical, if they are compulsory. So once this is done, as many materials as you are using in this production, you can add them. So you create your BOM. So the BOM is set. Let me know if we should remove this approval. This approval, you can see, is showing as draft, while this one is showing up as approved. So all I just need to do is to, if I'm the one raising it, I can submit it for approval. Then somebody who have access to approve can now approve. Okay, that is after review, you approve it. Okay, so this is to be sure that the formulation that is entered into the system is checked by somebody. That's the idea. But if you want us to remove the approval for the bill of material, it's fine by us. We'll remove it. So this is how to enter the bill of material. So I want to enjoin the production staff, if they can assign their bill of material to somebody to just keep on updating it. We have this in hard copy, which will be difficult for us to upload. Other information that we uploaded, stock, chart of account, we add them in Excel. So if they can assist us to continue to populate the bill of material in readiness for go live on in 2 days time, we'll so much appreciate. We'll also try from our end to see what we can do. So this is how to do bill of material. So we take it from there. I'll be dropping this video little by little to guide us. Thank you for listening.